Buying the best salad spinner doesn't need to be complicated. After days of research using my culinary experience, I have a pretty good idea of what makes a good salad spinner. So, without further ado, here are the products that made the top 5. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the best salad spinners. The number 5 product on my best rated salad spinner list is the Smile Mom Salad Spinner, which I rate as the best budget salad spinner. I really think you'll love this efficient and spacious salad spinner for quickly washing and drying your greens. This salad spinner from Smile Mom offers a generous 6.3 quart capacity, perfect for preparing family-sized salads. You'll appreciate the transparent design that lets you see your greens getting clean and dry. The one-handed operation makes it a breeze to use. Just press down on the knob to start spinning. The versatility of this kitchen gadget is impressive. Not only does it wash and dry your leafy greens, but it can also serve as a colander, storage container, and even a serving bowl. When you're done, the lid folds down for compact storage, saving precious kitchen space. Safety is a priority with this spinner. It's made from food-grade ABS material, ensuring your veggies stay clean and healthy. The non-slip silicone ring on the bottom keeps it steady during use. While it's dishwasher safe, some users have noted concerns about the plastic's durability over time. Taking the number 4 spot on my list of salad spinner reviews is the SveBake Steel Salad Spinner, which I rate as the best stainless steel salad spinner that you can get without spending a fortune. The SveBake Steel Salad Spinner offers a robust solution for washing and drying your greens. Its 18/8 stainless steel bowl and BPA-free ABS materials ensure longevity. The crank design gives you precise control over the spinning process, making it suitable for delicate berries and herbs, as well as heartier vegetables. You'll appreciate the versatility of this kitchen tool. Not only can you wash and dry lettuce, but it's also great for kale, collards, herbs, and even bulky veggies like broccoli and carrots. The elegant stainless steel bowl doubles as a serving dish, adding to its functionality. Stability is a key feature of this salad spinner. The silicone material on the underside keeps it firmly in place during use, even at high speeds. Cleanup is a breeze with fewer parts to worry about, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. While it might be smaller than some expect, it's a practical addition to any kitchen and could make a thoughtful gift for the home cook in your life. Checking in at number 3 is the popular Cuisinart Salad Spinner, which I rate as the best small salad spinner that you can buy at the moment. You'll love this handy little spinner for quick and easy salad prep. This Cuisinart Salad Spinner is a game changer for your kitchen. Its 3-quart capacity is perfect for whipping up salads for 1 or 2 people. You'll appreciate how simple it is to use. Just pop in your greens, give the knob a spin, and voila! Crisp dry lettuce ready for your favorite toppings. One of the coolest features is the ability to add and drain water without removing the lid. No more messy countertops or struggling with slippery lids. The non-skid base keeps everything stable while you're spinning, so you don't have to worry about it dancing across your kitchen. Don't let its size fool you. This spinner is versatile. It's great for washing berries and herbs too. When you're done, the clear base doubles as a serving bowl, saving you from dirtying another dish. Cleanup is a breeze, as most parts are dishwasher safe. With its lifetime warranty, you can rest easy, knowing this little workhorse will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Moving on to the second best large salad spinner, we have the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner, which brings convenience to your kitchen with its simple one-handed pump mechanism. You'll find it effortless to dry your greens, as the patented brake stops the basket instantly with a quick press. The non-skid base keeps the bowl steady during use, so you won't have to worry about it sliding around on your countertop. This spinner's versatility is a big plus. The clear bowl doubles as a serving or storage container, while the basket works as a separate colander for rinsing your greens. You'll appreciate how easy it is to clean, with a lid that comes apart for thorough washing. The storage lock allows for compact stacking when not in use. Though its 6.22 quart capacity might take up more space than smaller models. At 2.5 pounds, it's sturdy enough to handle frequent use. The pump mechanism is designed to maximize drying with minimal effort on your part. While the price might be higher than some alternatives, the durability and effectiveness of this spinner make it a worthwhile investment for salad lovers. Its modern design will likely complement your kitchen aesthetic, making it a functional and attractive addition to your culinary tools. So, what is the best salad spinner that you can buy? Overall, I'd have to say that the Farberware Pro Pump Spinner is the best salad spinner on the market for most people. I really think you'll love this efficient and versatile salad spinner for quick, easy meal prep. The Farberware Pro Pump Spinner is a kitchen powerhouse that'll transform your salad game. With its generous 6.65 quart bowl and 5.25 quart basket, you can easily prepare greens for the whole family in one go. No more tedious batch spinning. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design features. The non-slip base keeps the spinner steady on your countertop, while the soft touch brake button gives you full control. The pump mechanism is a breeze to use. Just push down to start spinning and tap the brake when you're done. This spinner isn't a one-trick pony. You can use the basket as a standalone colander, and the clear bowl doubles as a mixing or serving dish. It's perfect for washing and drying all sorts of produce, from leafy greens to berries. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to crisp, delicious veggies every time. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best salad spinner for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.